Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a really exciting video for me because today I am collaborating with Grace Karen. This video is not sponsored, but all of these pieces were sent to me, so I'm very excited to show you guys the pieces they sent me. I did pick these out, the ones that I wanted, the ones that stood out to me. It would be a perfect video to show you guys some pieces that I think is really nice if you're going to a wedding, if you're the wedding guest, or if you want to go to a really nice fancy dinner. Grace Karen is one of my favorites on Amazon. For more on the dressy side, I have 5 beautiful dresses. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with this dress right here. This is so beautiful. I was debating on the colors because it was kind of hard for me to pick one color. They have such beautiful colors, a lot of other colors that you could pick from, but I got this gorgeous like fuchsia pink. It has glitter all over, but the one thing I will say that I really love and appreciate is that the glitter does not fall off at all. It doesn't go anywhere. Like I can, you know, touch it and move around. Like it does not go anywhere. It's not one of those cheap glittery dresses that they just go everywhere. And like the little slit on the right side, it's not high, so it's like a perfect little peekaboo. It is strapless. It is beautiful. It has like that sweetheart neckline. It does zip up right here on the side. To be honest with you, I could have got this in a size small because it does have like extra space. This one I thought was so special. I got this in a medium as well. It is absolute stunner. So it looks like this, and it is a one shoulder dress. Look at that, guys. It is so fancy. So yes, I'm bringing you guys all the fancy dresses in this video. They are truly beautiful. It has this right here, so you could put it up like that, and then one side will be strapless. Again, it does have like that silicone right here, so it's not going anywhere. This fits perfectly. I love the shape. I love how it looks at the bottom. It's like asymmetrical, so as it goes down, it goes more longer on the side right here, and then it has this kind of almost like what's it called, like a faux wrap. Looks like a faux wrap. It's not quite like a wrap dress, but it has that look. So elegant, guys. If you're looking for a really nice elegant piece, I highly recommend this. Now of course they have these in multiple colors, but I got it in the black. I was wanting something really nice and classy, like a classy black, really nice glittery you know, dress. It has actually sequins, so this is made out of sequins, and they're really nice. Again, they're sewn in really nicely. Nothing is falling off. You don't have to worry about them falling everywhere. I like the fact that they lined it very nicely, so you don't feel the glitter as you're wearing them. I don't know, let me know if you guys ever tried on a piece that has glitter all over, and when you put it on, you can feel it in your whole body. It feels like itchy and scratchy. So this you don't have to worry about. This is absolute stunner. It's always beautifully done, where you look very expensive but on a budget. So this again is also black, but it has gold sequins everywhere. It has the same kind of sequins as this one, but it has gold. It looks so pretty. This definitely is like going to a wedding, evening dress, even to a party. If you have like a really nice fancy party and you want to dress up, this is gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love it. I like the fact that the straps are adjustable, and it has like this really beautiful, you see that kind of like drapes like down, and this is how it looks. And I like the fact that it has that like that ruched look, so it does camouflage if you have like a pooch, or you know, you're kind of conscious of you're kind of self-conscious of that area. It does conceal it nicely. It makes it look really nice, and you just look like perfection. Moving on to a more toned down dress, but still very chic and elegant, is this one right here. This is a satin dress. Again, it's a one shoulder dress, so it looks like this, and then the sleeve is a long sleeve. I think this is more of a classy dress, but again, it does have the silicone right here, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. I got this in a size medium, and it looks like this. This is how it looks in the front. It is so pretty. It does have like this little I guess ruche on this left side, and as it goes down, it's asymmetrical, so it's like right here it's more higher, and as it goes down it goes more longer. Very flattering, guys. Again, I had to get in the color black because I feel like with me, when it comes to dresses like this, I have to get in a black because it's a classic black. We need that little black dress. Moving on to this dress right here. Okay, so this is not, I wouldn't say this is for a wedding, but I wanted to include it because I think this is perfect for a really nice dinner. If you're going to a really nice dinner and you want more of a comfortable sweater dress, especially for the coming fall weather, I think this is perfect if you want to look put together, but at the same time look very chic. I think everybody needs a really beautiful white sweater dress. Something about a white sweater dress I think instantly makes you look very put together, and it actually looks like old money, you know, like you're rich, you got it put together, people know it, you walk in, you just shine. And something about white, guys, I feel like it just looks so crisp, so clean, and you look very put together without trying. So this one I got in a size medium. It looks like this. It is long sleeve and it is ribbed. So let me show you guys, hopefully it zooms in. And then right here in the front, it does have like this little there you go. You see how it looks? And then as it goes down, it's just ribbed going down all the way. I like the fact that the ribbing goes down because I feel like with that shape, it does make you look slimmer. And then it also has this tie around right here. So it has this tie around right here which cinches in your waist. It does have a slit right here in the front. It's more of a smaller slit, just a little peekaboo. And I really love it because it's very nice and stretchy, like super, super stretchy, guys. I highly recommend this one. Definitely recommend this for like more of a dinner date, anniversary. The last two items that I wanted to show you guys that they also sent me are two cardigans. So I think cardigans, of course, are perfect to throw over if it gets chillier. I want to show you guys because they also have cardigans. So these two cardigans I had to get because they're so beautiful. First off is this one right here. I got this in a size medium and it's this gorgeous brown luscious color. It has like this really oversized sleeves, but then at the end it does cinch in. It is so nice and soft. It's not itchy or scratchy. Has like a nice stretch. It's very like more of a relaxed oversized look. It's very nice and chunky. It looks so expensive. Guys, I have a Zara sweater that I purchased probably like 2 years ago, and that one is still in my wardrobe because I love it so much. It's rare when I have a cardigan that is so thick and chunky that it's one of those that you know it's expensive, and it was expensive, but thankfully I got it on sale. Definitely perfect for the fall time. It does have like that cable knit style. Doesn't have any pockets, but it looks like this. Look at that, guys. Is that not beautiful? The most soft, luscious cardigan you will put on. It is so beautiful. Trust me, you get it, you will thank me. And I really like the length. It's not super long, but it's like a more longer cardigan. So pretty. So yeah, I got it. But of course, you could get it in other colors. They have other basic colors. And then the last cardigan that I got, and actually the last item that I have for you guys, is this one right here. This is a more longer style cardigan, which I think this is perfect to throw over with one of your dresses. If it gets chillier, have something really cute and cozy to throw over. This is the one for you. This, I got it in the color gray, but of course, again, they have multiple colors, so keep that in mind. I got this in a size medium, and I really love it because this is one of those cardigans that you can honestly wear as a dress. I don't know if I would wear it as a dress, but I do want to point out that you can. It does have like the button closure, the pocket on each side. You could easily belt this and wear it as a dress, but I am going to wear it as just a throw over cardigan. It is so nice, so chunky. It has the loose sleeves, and then it cinches in at the end. Right here, this is why I think it's so pretty. One thing about Grace Karen is it's all about the details. They're really good about that. These sides, each side has a slit that opens up like that, and I feel like that actually makes it super flattering, and it looks so nice. Has like a really nice flow to it. Absolutely love this. You are on the hunt for the perfect fall cardigan, and you want a really like nice long cardigan. I think this is just beautiful. Absolutely recommend. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell, and until next time, guys, remember, God bless. Ciao.